Hey everybody, I'm Jay Peel, the Syntrax chef, and today we're going to be making some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies using our Matrix Simply Vanilla protein powder. Okay, so we're going to add a half a cup of peanut butter, a fourth of a cup of light brown sugar, 1 large egg, one large egg white, a fourth a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to mix this very well. We're going to sprinkle the baking soda on top and add 1/2 cup of our Matrix Simply Vanilla protein powder. You'll want to add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. You must use coconut flour. Then you want to mix that all together until it's all incorporated. It'll seem a little bit dry at first, but as you work it in and everything combines, it will smooth out. If you need a firmer dough, add a bit more protein powder. For a looser dough, sprinkle the batter with a little bit of milk. Then we'll fold in 3 tablespoons of mini chocolate chip morsels. So you'll want to roll your balls into 1-inch forms. Gently flatten the top of each cookie with a fork. We'll set the oven to 350. Place the cookies in the middle rack for 5 to 6 minutes.